What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Xiaomi Mi Band 2 fitness tracker. Before I start this video, I just want to say, if you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down below and also click that bell button so that you get notification when I post new videos. And now, let's get to it. So now this is the box. Has a nice finish. So opening the box, you find the Xiaomi fitness tracker here, and now you have the fitness tracker here. Inside the box you have the band, and it's a nice rubber, so when you wear it you don't feel like you have some cheap rubber on. It has a nice feel to it. Also inside the box we have USB charger. The charger is a Xiaomi charger, so you put the fitness tracker in here and it connects to those two pins here and connects to your USB, so you can use your power bank or your laptop to charge it. So now let's get the fitness tracker out. So now this is the fitness tracker and you put it in here. It has some paper, so you read that off. And you put it in here and it begins to, and you connect it and it begins to charge. So now we're going to take it off and put it in the band so that you see how it fits. So you insert the band here through the back and then press the edges. You can see it fits in. So now if you put on the band for the first time, it's going to show how many steps you take in, your heart rate and the time. That's all it shows. You put it on for the first time. And also the green lights at the back is what measures your heart rate. So if you place it on your hand for some minute, you can see the small heart is moving. Also, you need to pull it back a bit. So let's see how it's doing. Okay, it's reading. It seems not to be reading my heart rate, but let me try this. So it's reading now. Wow, that's a lot of heart rates there. Oh, it seems not to be working. But now let's go into the app so that we can configure the Xiaomi Fit app. So what you do is download the app from the App Store. After downloading the Mi Fit app and signing into your Mi account, we come to pair devices and click band, agree. So it's going to search for device now. So it gives you a prompt that you should click. So you just click this and now it's pairing. After pairing, it shows you the percentage of your battery here. So mine is 44%. Also on this menu, you can set in whether to get activation for incoming calls. So I'm going to put that in here. So the Mi Band is going to vibrate when you have calls. You can for alarm, so you can choose what time you want your alarm to ring. So I'm not going to set an alarm yet. Now you can app alerts. So I'm going to set for Mi Fit, WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and YouTube. So anytime you get alerts from each of these apps, it's going to show on the Mi Fit app. So as you can see now, my time has been updated. Time is 5. Under band display settings, we have it, whether you want it to show the distance, the calorie, and also the battery. So I'm going to tick every one of those. Now the time format, you can choose either whether you want it to show in this format or this format. I like this format. It comes with the time and date, so I'm going to click this. So as you can see, I just got a message from Snapchat, and here goes the logo. Another one, that's the logo. So I'm going to click this. Oh, and it's just trooping in, as you can see. Well, now you have lift wrist to view info. So if you move your hand up, it's gonna use the sensor and it gives you the info. So I'll activate that. Rotate wrist to switch info. No, I'm not gonna take that. Heart rate sleep assistance helps to get more precise sleep data. I don't need that. So you can see the firmware version is 1.0.1.69 and it has a Bluetooth address, and down below you can compare. So let's see. You can also check here for more. You have the idle alert. This idle alert tells you if you sit down for a long time, it tells you to stand up and move around. So I'm going to activate the idle alert. It asks you for the time, start time and end time. So you can choose what time it should be to tell you to move around. For now, let me just deactivate that. You have incoming SMS, so you can turn on the band for SMS alerts. So it's going to show you the number and a few information about the text message. You have incoming email. Yes, let's do that for incoming email. You have go notifications. So if you're supposed to walk 4,000 steps, it's going to show you do not disturb. You can activate that. So basically, this band, you're not getting only a fitness tracker, you're kind of getting a personal assistant and like a smartphone, a smartwatch. So you get your notifications on the fitness tracker. And I think for the price that it's being sold, this is less than $25. It's actually a good one. So let me try to put it on now and see if it's gonna actually measure my heart rate. Also, now I got a message from Snapchat. Let's see if it's going to measure my heart rate. Okay, so it's trying to measure my heart rate now. And it's not coming up with anything. I don't know why I can't get it to measure my heart rate. Let me try with my thumb. Okay, so we got some activity. And, oh, now I got 47. I don't know if that's low or high. I have to check medical sheet or something, but yeah, I came up with 47. So that's it, guys. With the Xiaomi Mi Band 2, you're not only getting a fitness tracker, but you're also getting like a smart assistant, a smartwatch. Also, the Mi Band 2 is rated IP67. It means you can like use it while you can have it on while taking your bath. You can put it in water. You can use it while you're jogging. You can use it in the rain. You can use it while swimming. Yeah, so it's IP67. Also, with a single charge, when you charge it full, it can last you for about 20 hours. So I'm going to put a link in the description where I got this. I got this from Alza. So you can get this for an affordable price, and it's one of the best budget fitness trackers out there. Yeah. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel. This year I want to hit a goal of 5,000 subscribers. So subscribe to my channel, click that bell button so that you get notifications when I post new videos. Share my videos with your friends, and until next time, I am Mastercard. See you.